If you want to crush those rapids next season, start crushing these gym exercises today. First up, the row machine, perfect for building endurance. Next, planks. Core strength is essential for stability on the water. Don't forget about pull-ups. They boost upper body strength, crucial for those powerful strokes. Leg day matters too. Squats and lunges keep your lower body strong for better balance and control. Finally, shoulder presses. These build the shoulder muscles that take a beating when you paddle. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and watch your kayaking skills soar. Hit the gym and make the off-season count.
When you want an extraordinary racing kayak made in the finest American tradition, or maybe just own a piece of American kayaking history, you want a West Side Boat Shop kayak, now available from davethekayaker.com. West Side Boat Shop kayaks. The tradition continues.